Previously on Alan Wake. I came to Bright Falls with my wife, Alice.
Thank you for coming here with me. I thought maybe you could write here.
I don't want to hear it! God damn it, Alice!
Now, she's missing.
Alice? Alice?
I woke up behind the wheel of a crashed car. I'm missing a week. I was attacked by shadowy men straight from a nightmare. The sheriff took me to the lake Alice and I had stayed at. But the cabin had disappeared.
Take on. Flashback. Okay.
Honey, I'm home.
Back here, sweetie. How was it?
Worst weather I've ever seen.
You should put some
Okay,
coffee on.
weiter
It'll warm you
geht's.
up.
Also, ich bin jetzt hier gerade im Flashback. Kamera. Im Flashback 3 Jahre zurück in New York, in meinem Apartment. Ich habe mir noch irgendwie überlegt, ob
Hey,
der...
handsome. This is gonna be a long night, but these shots are turning out great.
I guess you're gonna need that coffee then. I'll go put it on.
Genau, ich habe mir noch überlegt, ob der Alan womöglich seine Beziehung mit der Alice nur angeträumt hat, also gar nicht, dass das gar nicht möglich ist, aber jetzt spiele ich den Flashback nachher, also ist möglich, dass irgendetwas mega schief geht. Aber das geht ja sowieso. Gut, machen wir die Kaffeemaschine an.
Coffee's on.
Great,
Da
thanks.
irgendwie...
I'll need it if I'm gonna finish this by tomorrow.
Okay, viel sehen wir nicht. Können wir auf den Balkon rausgehen? Nicht wirklich, okay. Ja, und die ganze Sache mit der Quantenphysik finde ich auch ganz spannend, dass mit diesen zwei Zuständen, die der Quantenphysik hier vorbeherrscht, das ist vorher ja dem mega komischen Fernsehausschnitt der Fall gewesen, wo der eine vom Quantensuizid schnarrt und sich dann versehentlich umbringt. Was haben wir da noch? Manuskriptseite. Okay. Und Bücher. The Fall of Casey, The Things That I Want, Alex Casey, What I Can't Forget und Return to Sender. Aha. Interessant. Was tönt da so? Störgeräusche. Oh. Wir finden so ein altes Radio oder ein Fernseher oder so. Ah, da ist der Radio. Das ist nicht da.
The continuing freezing rain and heavy snowfall have necessitated a winter storm warning in the entire tri-state area. People are advised to stay indoors as many roadways are already closed, and city officials are not expecting snow crews to keep up with the weather. We're now on the third day of the blizzard, and the weather is not expected to
Okay,
clear up
Blizzard,
anytime
alles
soon.
klar. Begehbarer Schrank, der leer ist. Badzimmer. Medizin. Okay. Gehen wir zu der Alice.
Oh, hey, I just finished those cover mock-ups. They're on your desk. Tell me what you think.
No kidding. I didn't think you'd get them done this quickly.
On occasion, I can perform all sorts of miracles, my dear.
Oh, really?
Well, you seemed to
Fancy,
think so last
fancy.
night.
Okay, schauen wir mal die Mockups an.
These look really good.
Oh, sure, until Barry gets his hands on them. Which, by the way, will happen over my dead
Ah,
body.
das ist da die
The last time was
Kartonausschnitt,
the
den wir
last
ganz am
time.
Anfang gesehen
Oh, and speaking of Barry, he called.
Oh.
Alan!
Oh nein, nein, nein.
Alan! Please check the fuse box.
I'm right here. I'm on it, honey.
Please hurry.
I'm right here, baby.
I'm fine. Just get the lights back on. Now, please.
Honey, it's a power outage. I've got the flashlight.
Okay.
Sie ist
Hi.
jetzt hier die Angst
You
im
okay?
Dunkeln.
I'm sorry. It just really spooked me.
Don't worry. We'll just break out the candles.
I know it's stupid, but it's just... especially when I'm not prepared for it, you know? It gets to me.
I love you.
Tell me a story, writer.
Okay. I used to have these nightmares when I was a kid. The dark really spooked me, too. When it got really bad, my mom gave me this old light switch. She called it the clicker.
The clicker, huh?
Yeah. If I ever got scared of the dark, I could just flip the switch and a magic light would scare the monsters away.
Oh, sure.
Here it is.
Alan.
Maybe it'll help you, too.
Yeah, nice story, writer boy. You made that up right now, didn't you?
No. Seriously.
I love you, even if you are a liar. Thanks for this.
How do you feel, Mr. Wake? Any nausea, disorientation, anything like that? Mr. Wake, how are you feeling?
I'm okay. My head's fine. I had to lie about my headache and memory loss. He'd send me to a hospital for tests. I couldn't leave without Alice.
Very well. I don't think you have a concussion, but you've obviously been through quite a shock. You should take it easy for a couple of days.
Thanks.
Well then, Mr. Wake, we're done here. If the pain gets any worse or you experience any other symptoms, you should come see me. I'll let you get on with it then. Sarah, Sheriff Breaker, is waiting for you. She's very good at her job. I'm sure she can locate your wife in no time.
Doc
Ja, das
Nelson
wird
was the
zwierig.
image of a small-town doctor. Sheriff Breaker had called him to the station to take a look at the cut in my head.
Ja, ik zie niet zo als een dokter, aber... Jo. Ist denn das ein Sheriff-Ambulanz? Okay. Dr. Sarah. Police Station. Oh, die alte wieder. Hey.
Thank you for testing the lights, Miss Weaver. Everything seems to be fine.
I don't have the luxury of being complacent, Deputy Grant. The bulbs will need changing soon. You can't change them in the dark.
I'll be sure to take care of it, Miss Weaver.
Ja,
Have
vor
a
allem, wenn
nice
sie
day
an und
now.
abstellen,
Very
logisch.
good. I'll come back later on to remind you, just in case.
Mr. Wake,
Wieso habe
the
ich
sheriff
das
is
Gefühl,
waiting
dass
for
die
you in her
alte
office down the
nochmal
corridor?
irgendwann wichtiger sein? Entschuldigung, was?
That was Cynthia Weaver. I guess you can call her the town eccentric. She used to be the editor of the local newspaper, but she's focused on, other things these days.
She'd fit right in where I come from.
As you can see, she's a little obsessed with maintaining the light bulbs of the whole town, refuses to step on shadows, things like that.
Nee, dat is
Back in
niet zo
her
goed.
day, she wrote about all sorts of weird things in the paper. Bright Falls has a colorful history. Of course, what small town hasn't?
Interessant. Was für geschichtlich könnte es sein? Da jetzt nicht durch. Meeting. Ah, da bin ich vorher gewesen. Okay, Sheriff's Office. Wer ist das? Das sind sicher irgendwelche Programmierer oder so. Was heißt das? Ah, okay, einfach das typische. Okay. Sheriff?
Come in, Mr. Wake.
Ja, ich bin
Your
schon da.
phone's on the desk. The battery was dead. It's charged now.
Gut.
Have you started looking for my wife yet?
My men are already on it. Now, can you tell me what happened?
I'm not sure. I can't remember. We were arguing. I walked out of the cabin.
The cabin on Cauldron Lake?
How did you end up at Stucky's gas station?
I wanted to tell her what had happened last night, but I couldn't. She'd lock me up. Excuse me. I need to take this.
Schleichwerbung. Verizon. Okay.
Hello?
Alan, please help me.
Alice?
Stop talking to the law. You'll do exactly what I say if you ever want to see your wife again.
Who is this?
Go to the back lot. There's a hole in the fence on
What?
the left. Look inside the junker. I left a little something there to convince you we're all on the same page here. After you ditch the cops, you're gonna meet me in Elderwood National Park. There's a spot called Lover's Peak. Midnight. Don't do nothing stupid, pal. We're watching you.
Also jetzt tun sie ganz nach einer normalen Entführung, aber...
Mr. Wake, can I help you with anything?
Nein,
I need
passt
to get
schon.
some air. The sheriff said I could go out back.
Of course, Mr. Wake. You can get there through the cell corridor.
Gut, was?
Yeah, it's Mulligan here. I'm at Stucky's gas station with Thornton. There's no sign of him. Over.
Wait. Yeah, this is Thornton. Look,
Yeah.
we've located the brake fluid. It's here. That's some good news, right? Stucky was supposed to be driving it at the rehearsal today. Over.
Hey, you! Can you help me? Can you turn the lights on?
Ist der Gene Hackman noch? Ja klar, kann ich die Licht anzünden. Wo ist es denn? Ah, dort.
Thank you, man, thank you. Hey, you're all right. You're a good guy. Don't let anybody tell you different.
Das ist
You
dort
know,
nachher
I
das
shouldn't even
Nüchterungszelle.
be in here. The cops, they got it all wrong. See, sure, I beat him up, but I wasn't drunk. I mean, I wasn't drunk at the time.
Okay, ja.
I only got
Unter Umständen könnte es noch spannend werden, was der genau sagt, aber... Jetzt...
The early morning light hurt my eyes and made my head ache. The man on the phone had said, go through the fence on the left.
Ach, merci fürs Erinnern. Ah. Through the fence. War ich da?
The caller had told me to find a hole in the fence behind the police station. There was something for me in an abandoned car. Alice's driver's license had been placed on the front seat. The caller meant business. Barry?
Ow! Thank God! Where the hell have you been? I've been trying to reach you for a week, you and Alice. I've been worried sick. I flew out yesterday. I'm here in Bright Falls.
Barry, listen to me. I'm at the sheriff's station. Come and get me. I can't talk now.
Ow! What the hell is going on?
I had to get the sheriff to let me go. I needed to get to Elderwood National Park to meet Alice's kidnappers.
Aber ich komme da wieder... Ah, so. Okay, also dann gehen wir mal zum Sheriff. Oh.
Well, folks, it's been another long night, and it's about time for me to sign off for a while. God knows I need my beauty sleep. Just one more item before I go. It's been a busy night for the sheriff's department. We've had a few broken windows, even a report of shots fired on Main Street. Deputies Mulligan and Thornton had to deal with two intoxicated young men who were celebrating the
Ja, bla bla.
Beer Festival.
Machen wir mal weiter.
Folks, we get this every year.
A writer is a light that reveals the world of his story from darkness,
Schon wieder.
shapes it from nothingness. The way a sculptor carves a statue from a block of granite. If I stop, the world I'm making dies. Darkness will reclaim it.
Allerdings.
It's a long, hard journey into the dark. Alice's life is at stake, but I can't think about that, or I'll lose it. The dread lingers at the edge of perception. I'll push on. Anything is possible here. I'll write the story. I'll save her.
Läuft auf das raus. Ist Alice. Hängt Alice mit der Story vom Alan
I
zusammen.
just wanted to settle all the damage the Anderson brothers might have inadvertently caused on their recent and regrettable little outing. They are not accountable for their actions.
Are you feeling any better, Mr. Wake?
I'd like to leave. Am I free to go?
Well, we still need to talk about...
Am I under arrest?
No, of course not. But I need to know where you'll be staying so I can get in touch with you.
I'd avoid the motel. The Majestic is known for its roaches. The cabins at Elderwood are pretty nice, though.
That sounds perfect.
I'm Dr. Emil Hartman. I'd like to invite you to stay at Cauldron Lake Lodge.
Did you talk to my wife?
I had the pleasure of discussing your situation with her on several occasions.
Did you set something up with her?
I invited her here. My clinic is a place where...
Oh, hey! Oh, my!
Take it easy.
Hey, nobody move! Get your hands off of my client!
Who are you?
I'm Barry Wheeler, his agent. If you have business with Mr. Wake, you talk to me. You yokels won't know what hit you once I sick my lawyers on your asses.
No harm done, Sarah. I'm all right. I don't want to press charges. Mr. Wake, my offer still stands.
Get me out of here.
Ist das ein...
What the hell was that about, Al? We don't need a replay of that thing with the paparazzi. I thought they were gonna lock you up.
Mir kommt vor, als wäre
I had to talk to someone. I told Barry everything. He thought I was certifiable, but when he heard about the manuscript, I had him. The fact that I'd written something, even if I couldn't remember it, was enough for him. He smelled money. And he believed that Alice had been kidnapped. Anything beyond that was another story. I had a midnight appointment with the kidnapper in a place called Lover's Peak, somewhere in Elderwood National Park. The plan was to rent a cabin.
I don't like it, Al. I don't like any of it. It's not good. In fact, it's the absolute opposite of good.
Mr. Wake! Barry, you found him!
Hi, Rose.
Oh, wow. I was just thinking about you, too.
Great.
I was just bringing Rusty some coffee. He's on the balcony, looking after Max. Poor thing. I really need to go. Great to see you again, Mr. Wake. Later!
Also,
Who's Max?
Agent ist ja klar.
What an airhead.
Jeez, Mr. Takes a swing at everybody. This is not her fault. She's a very nice girl and, more importantly, a fan.
Pfui, Jagdhütte.
Seriously, Al, what you were saying in the car? Just listen to yourself. What, you shot a guy and his body just disappeared? When was the last time you slept? What, are you high? Have you been drinking?
No! Look, Barry, I'm missing a week, and someone's got Alice.
Do you
and everything's
understand what it sounds like when you say stuff like that? Don't get me wrong, it's a good story, could be a bestseller. But when you start confusing fiction with reality, you're buying yourself a ticket to the funny farm.
Wait here.
Ja, genau das ist das Problem.
Easy there, boy. I'm almost done.
Hey, Rusty, right? You rent cabins.
Oh, Mr. Wake. I'd shake your hand, but mine are kind of full here. Actually, I'm sorry about this. Would you mind grabbing the registration form from the desk? It's just across from Bucktooth Charlie.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
What happened?
Crazy poachers. Max here got his foot caught in a trap. They're illegal to use here. Hell, you're not supposed to hunt within the park at all. But that doesn't stop some lowlifes. Well, at least Max is gonna be okay. He got lucky.
Okay.
Seriously, Al, you can't just go and meet a kidnapper. Those situations always end up in disaster.
Logisch.
You gotta talk to the cops.
She's my wife, and it's my call. Can we talk about this later?
No. This whole thing, listen, you hit your head. I mean,
Don't.
geez, Al, come on. You gotta understand how crazy all this sounds. If you're trying to pull a joke on me, freak me out, it's working. Ha ha, let's have a
Und das
laugh on
kann's gar
Barry.
nicht. Dumme
Well, you had me
Viecher.
going there real funny, Al. You can quit it now.
I think this is the form you wanted.
And here are the keys. Okay, you're all set, Mr. Wake. Glad to have you staying here.
Thanks. Can you tell me how to get to Lover's Peak?
Oh, sure. It's at the end of the nature trail. Just follow the paths, you'll get to it eventually. It's an easy walk. Nice spot, too.
Okay.
Look, Al, you're asking me to believe that you shot a dude who went poof into thin air, a guy who was bulletproof until you pointed a flashlight at him. You hear that from people who end up spending time in padded rooms, strapped to their beds, wearing white shirts with too long tangled up sleeves, and eating a healthy diet of pills. Al, you make cruel jokes about people who believe that kind of stuff. You're the skeptic. You gave me an hour-long lecture on homeopathy last month.
Und es ist wieder mal Nacht, ist ja klar gewesen.
Crazy talk, Al.
Wobei ja, eigentlich ist es logisch.
Al? We should go to the sheriff or call the FBI.
Damn it, Barry, they'll kill her! This is not a goddamn debate, Barry. I'm going to Lover's Peak. He said to come alone.
Okay then. I understand. You're my best friend and I'm worried that you're not right in the head. Tell me what to do to help and I'll do it.
You stay here, and if I'm not back by morning, call the cavalry.
So.
Just be careful with the natives, Al. These yokels are dangerous. Everybody hates a tourist, or it'll be deliverance all over again.
Zum Wohl. Wieder Kaffee. Da geht's nicht auf. Also irgendwie ist es genau gleich. Switchlights. Nein, Switchlights. Was soll ich sagen? Ja genau, irgendwie sehen die Cabins alle gleich aus. Naja.
I'll wait here, Al. I'll hold down the fort. I'll be with you in spirit every step of the way, Al. Locking the door now.
Du Shithass. Okay, ist das noch ein Seite? Ah ja, das mit der Manuskriptseite, das... Okay, das... Nein, das mache ich offline. Das habe ich immer noch nicht machen, aber das mache ich offline. Das wird jetzt zu lang gehen. Und... Ja, ich kann euch das das nächste Mal so erzählen.
I knew I should have gone to the cops. This wasn't the smartest thing I'd ever done, but I was still angry with Barry for trying to talk me out of it. These people had called me right in the sheriff's station. The cops wouldn't scare them, and they had Alice.
Yeah. True that. Ist das in einer Wäschbar oder so gewesen? Ich frage mich, wie viel von diesen Häusern als sich überhaupt anschauen lernt. Ah, noch eine. Okay. Radio.
Welcome back to the show, folks. As promised, our very own Dr. Nelson has just parked his rear end in the studio. Doc, what's your Deer Fest plan like?
Oh.
My plan? You make it sound a lot more organized than I ever seem to manage.
Das ist schon eine Lichter.
No plan.
Gut.
Really, just taking the atmosphere.
Wer ist das gewesen? Wer ist da durchgelaufen?
A candy-colored clown they call the Sandman tiptoes to my room every night, and just to sprinkle stardust and to whisper, go to sleep, everything is all right. I close my eyes, then I drift away into the magic night. I softly say,